Respected Chief Guest, Shri Prem Kumar Ji Sharda, former Vice Chancellor, Veer Narmad University Surat, Guest of Honor, Srimati Vimla Devi Sabu, Shri Ranjit Bhai Gilitwala, Mayor Surat Municipal Corporation, Shri Dinesh Bhai Jodhani, Shri Tarachand Ji Kasit, Chairman Shri Mengra Ji Gandhi, all trustees, dignitaries on the dais, invited guests and parents. I, on the behalf of all the members of RMG, Maheshwari English School, extend a warm welcome to all of you on the second annual day celebration of RMG Maheshwari English School. We are completing the third academic year of the school, and I can proudly say that we have started to provide quality education in healthy and conducive environment. Step by step, we are climbing the ladder of success and achieving the goals set. Regarding academic for the year 2008 and 9, the result of all classes remain 100%. This year we have also started a creative worksheet system and assignment system from standard 1st to 4th, where the students can get more practice but lesson burden. We have successfully started the school in 2 shifts as promised last year, and the strength of the students is approximately 500, which is remarkable. Apart from value-based education, we provide a platform for training the students in co-curricular activities for their all-round development and also to show their talent in inter-school competitions. In the last session, the school had introduced the house system through which the students participate in healthy competition and inculcated sportsman spirit, qualities and values. We have activities like yoga, music, dance, skating, karate, etc. in our school. A newly built multiple activity hall helps us to conduct these activities smoothly. We have added one small but very beautiful swimming pool for our tiny tots primary classes. Now I would like to specifically highlight about our dream project which will be accomplished in near future. Our management has purchased land more than 9 acres which are about 8 kilometers away from our existing school premises. It is going to be a complex equipped with modern facilities like playground for cricket and tennis, swimming pool, auditorium, library, audiovisual rooms, laboratory, etc. along with the CBSE affiliation. Teachers are the pillars of the school, and we are proud that we have trained staff. Many of our staff members have been taking part in various educational programs, seminars, workshops and escorting students for educational trips, which in turn are helpful in enriching the education. Parents also play a vital role in the development and success of the educational institution. To strengthen the parents-teacher bond, we have parent-teacher meeting on regular basis. Towards the end, I would like to state the view of UNESCO about the education in 21st century, that is, learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together and learning to be. These 4 pillars should be the foundation for any educational vision in the 21st century. Today the philosophy has been changed. Instead of giving too much attention to curricular activities and conventional method of the teaching and learning, we as a teachers in the technology-driven era must discover whether the strength of people lies. Today's child is inquisitive and questioning. We must treat each one as an individual and remember the core values which will bring out the best in every child. With this, I would like to thank all the guests for taking out their valuable time and for gracing the occasion. Thank you very much.